Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the 8th question of exercise 12.3. 7 questions we have already done. So in 8th question we are given that a transversal L, it cuts 3 parallel lines M, N and O. We are given one angle and we have to find the values of X, Y and Z. Here one mistake is there in your book. Here you will write Z only, means it is written Z minus 80, but it is Z only. So how can you solve this part? Here Y, angle Y, this is equals to this angle. Why so? Because if M and O are parallel to each other, then these are the corresponding angles. So here you will write corresponding angles. Similarly, X and 130, again these are corresponding angles, so therefore X is also 130 degrees. Same reason, you will write corresponding angles. Now we are left with this. So here firstly we will solve Y minus 80, that means 130 degree minus 80 degree, so it is equals to 50 degree. Now here Y minus 80, that is equals to Z. These are vertical opposite angles. So therefore the value of angle Z is 50 degree. So this is how we have solved question number 8. Now in question number 9, we are given that in the given figure, lines L and M are transversals cutting parallel lines P and Q. So here we are having two lines P and Q and two transversals are here, that is L and M. Here we are marked angle 1, this is angle 2, this one 90 degree and this is 130 degree. So we have to find angles 1 and 2, and after that we have to tell that how many 90 degree angles we can find in this figure. So here as you can see that if P and Q are parallel, we are given that P is parallel to Q. So if these both are parallel, then this angle and this angle, aren't they equal? So angle 2 equals to 90 degree. Why? Because these are alternate angles. So now we have found angle 2. Now angle 1. Angle 1 and angle 130 degree. So these are vertical opposite angles. So we can write angle 1 equals to 130 degree. It is vertical opposite angle. So we have found angle 1 and angle 2. After that, verbally we have to tell that how many 90 degree angles can we find. So if this is 90, this will also be 90, because if this is the linear pair, then 180 minus 90, it will be 90. If it is 90, then it will be 90. These are vertical opposite angles. If this is 90, then this will also be 90. So 4 angles are here. Now we have found that angle 2 is again 90. Then all these 4 angles will also be 90. So that means there are 8 angles which will be 90. After that, we were asked to find angle 1 and angle 2, which we have already solved. Now come to question number 12. Here we are given two lines P and Q. This angle is 140, this is 120, A, B and C. So here we are asked that in the given figure, P and Q are two parallel lines, AB and BC. These are the line segments such that angle BAD, this is 140, and BCE, this is 120. and the smaller angle ABC. This one is the smaller angle that is at B, and we have to find this smaller angle as well as this reflex angle. So here we will do one construction. So this is the construction that we are going to draw a parallel line, say R, through B. So now solution, take this as this one as angle 1 and this as angle 2. Now here you can see if this and this line, these both are parallel, then this angle 2 and 140, these are alternate angles. So you can write angle 2 equals to 140 degree. These are the alternate angles. Similarly, this angle 1 and 120. These are also alternate angles. Now reflex angle ABC. This is angle 1 plus angle 2. That means 140 plus 120. So it is equals to 260 degrees. So reflex angle 260 degree. Then what will be the smaller angle ABC? It will be 360 minus 260. That means it is 100 degree. Next, question number 13. So here we have to tell that our lines M and N in the following figure parallel. Here we are given two lines M, N. One transversal is there. This is 130 and this is 120. Now look here. If M and M were parallel, that means these angles must be equal. Why so? Because these are the pair of exterior alternate angles, but these are different. So that means M and N are not parallel to each other. So you will write angle 1 and angle 2, say 1, 2, are not equal. Why so? Because alternate exterior angles are not equal. So if these are not equal, that means M is not parallel to N. So this is all for the day. Thank you.